You can eat clean, go to the gym every week, and even drink protein shakes every single day. But if you're over 50 and still losing muscle, there's something critical you're missing. And no, it's not more protein. Most people over 50 are making a mistake that silently blocks their body from rebuilding muscle, especially at night, when your body is supposed to repair and grow. Here's the truth. After 50, your body doesn't just need more protein. It needs the right signals to actually use that protein. And there are two specific nutrients you can take at night that help switch that process back on, allowing your body to rebuild muscle while you sleep. As we age, our bodies don't respond the same way they did in our 30s or even 40s. You might still be eating well, you might still be active, but your strength starts to drop. Your muscles feel softer. Recovery takes longer. And what used to work just doesn't anymore. Let me tell you about James, a 58-year-old man who thought he just needed more protein. He was doing everything right, eating chicken, eggs, drinking protein shakes twice a day. But he kept losing muscle. The problem wasn't effort. It was biology. After the age of 50, your body develops something called anabolic resistance. In simple terms, your muscles stop responding efficiently to protein. So even if you're eating enough, your body isn't using it properly. You've probably been told, just increase your protein intake. But the truth is, protein alone is no longer enough. Your body needs specific nutrients that activate muscle repair, especially during sleep, when your body does its deepest recovery work. Here's what most people don't realize. Your body rebuilds muscle primarily at night, during deep sleep. But after 50, two critical things start to decline. First, your growth hormone levels drop significantly. Second, key nutrients like magnesium and vitamin D also decrease in your body. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism shows that growth hormone production can decline dramatically with age, and without enough of it, your body struggles to repair and rebuild muscle. So the real issue isn't just protein. It's that your body lacks the tools to repair muscle overnight. And that's where these two nutrients come in. The first is magnesium. Magnesium is involved in over 300 processes in your body, but for muscle health, it plays a powerful role. It helps relax your muscles, improves sleep quality, and supports the release of growth hormone. When you take magnesium at night, it helps your body enter deeper sleep, the exact stage where muscle repair happens. But most people make a mistake here. They either don't take magnesium at all, or they take the wrong type. Cheap forms like magnesium oxide are poorly absorbed. Better options are magnesium glycinate or citrate, which your body can use more effectively. Taking it about 30 to 60 minutes before bed can significantly improve how your body recovers overnight. Let me give you a real example. Margaret, a 62-year-old woman, struggled with muscle weakness and poor sleep. She felt tired, even after resting. But after a few weeks of taking magnesium glycinate at night, her sleep improved, and she started feeling stronger during her daily activities. That's not magic. That's your body finally getting what it needs. The second nutrient is vitamin D3. Most people think vitamin D is only for bones, but it does much more. It plays a direct role in muscle strength, hormone balance, and inflammation control. Low vitamin D levels are strongly linked to muscle weakness, especially in adults over 50. Vitamin D also helps your body absorb calcium properly and supports muscle contraction. Here's something important most people don't know. Magnesium actually helps activate vitamin D in your body. Without enough magnesium, your vitamin D may not work effectively. That's why this combination is so powerful. Together, magnesium and vitamin D help improve sleep, support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and most importantly, help your body actually use the protein you're already consuming. Now, this is where many people go wrong. They rely heavily on protein shakes late at night, expecting muscle growth. But without the right nutrients, that protein isn't fully utilized. Another mistake is ignoring sleep quality. If you're not getting deep, restful sleep, your body simply cannot rebuild muscle. Sleep is not optional. It's the foundation of recovery. And then there's supplement timing. Many people take everything in the morning for convenience, but your body follows natural rhythms, and nighttime is when recovery is most active. If you miss that window, you're missing the most powerful opportunity your body has to rebuild. So here's the bottom line.
If you're over 50 and struggling with muscle loss, it's not just about eating more protein. It's about giving your body the right support at the right time. Magnesium helps your body relax, sleep deeper, and recover more effectively. Vitamin D supports muscle strength and activates repair processes. Together, they create the ideal environment for muscle rebuilding. Naturally. Here's one simple bonus tip. Add light movement to your evening routine, like stretching or a short walk after dinner. This helps improve circulation and allows your body to use nutrients more efficiently. Now think about this for a moment. Which of these have you been missing? Magnesium, vitamin D, or both? That answer might explain everything you've been struggling with. And if you think muscle loss is the only issue after 50, there's something even more important happening inside your brain. In the next video, you'll discover the forgotten vitamin that helps rebuild brain cells after 60 and why almost no one is talking about it.